Hello Aries, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and I am Himali Narsian, your tarot card reader, astrologer and numerologist, bringing you your weekly forecast for the week of 14th to the 21st of January 2021. Let's see what the weekly energies hold for you, but before I start with the weekly energies, please like, subscribe to my channel, comment, share and help my Ruhani family grow. Let's quickly look into what your energies are for this week. We've got the Two of Pentacles and the Lovers. So Two of Pentacles here indicates that you could be really caught up with a lot of things, family responsibilities, love duties, work, etc. Also you are so for a lot of you, you could be juggling with a choice. This could be a choice in love. This could also be choice. This could also be something to do with your health. I do not see any work-life situation here, but yes, I do see a love-life situation or your health. Most likely your health. You could be facing issues with your eyes, lungs, kidneys, your ears. Anything that comes in pairs would be of a great tendency here. So Aries, overall not a great week. You're just thinking too much. You do want a very happy family life and stuff, but then you are really between two things, two options, two paths, two whatever two can indicate in your life. If you are dating someone whose date of birth is also 2, this can again indicate them, but I just see you really caught up with your life and with your health overall. On your love life situation, you've got the 8 of Swords and the 5 of Wands. So 8 of Swords here indicates that you could be feeling very negative due to an argument or a fight that you've been having with your partner. This could be a discussion over anything that you could think of, and this has been something that has really put you into a negative state of mind. Again, let me emphasize that this is all in your mind. This isn't happening in reality. This is in your mind. Very high chances that in reality the situation is not as bad as you think it is, but then this is what you've been thinking, and then you've been really hurt, and none of y'all are actually talking to listen to listen to each other. You're just talking to make a point. You're not talking to reply to the other person. So this in turn is putting the entire situation in a bad light, Aries. So what I would suggest is calm down, sleep. I don't think you've slept in a long in a lot of days, Aries. Sleep, recoup, and then get back to the situation. On the work front, I have 8 of Pentacles and 7 of Wands. 8 of Pentacles here clearly saying that you've been working very hard, very monotonous. There is a lot of stress that has been given to you by your boss. This could be your colleague, could be someone who is really jealous of your working style, could be someone who is really jealous of your position, but you are just continuing doing it because you too enjoy your work and you want to grow your pentacles. So some stress is indicated at work, Aries. One solution for this would be to, if you are a Hindu, you could actually donate some mustard oil on Tuesday to a Hanuman Mandir. So this is something that is going to help you quite evidently, and you will see the result in a few weeks. Again, on your health front, Aries, we've got the Lovers and we've got Sorrow. So firstly, you've been thinking a lot about it. Sorrow here can indicate anything to do with pneumonia, cough, wounds or fractures, especially in the hands and the arms. It can also indicate that you are facing a lot of health issues, and that has made you really down emotionally. Lovers indicates anything to do with eyes, ears, arms, like I said, communication issues. You really need to take out some time to recoup. you really need to take out some time to recoup, and because this is a very short term thing, and this is not something that's going to go on for a very long time. But this has been, the cause of this has been, maybe your body image. It could have been your lifestyle disease. It could be obsessions or something that you must have changed physically, quite artificially. This could be like plastic surgeries or anything that you've done to sort of enhance your image, gone wrong, gone really wrong. This is the result of it. So don't really worry about it. It's going to go, but just give yourself some time, Aries. You need to give yourself some time. The color for you this week is white. The advice for you this week is lighten up, Aries. And the number, your lucky number is 24. The color is white. Yeah. So this is something on more off-white, grayish, off-white, whitish tones. Okay. Another message for you is a time for healing. Balsamic moon, a time for healing. So yes, definitely this is the week where you should only and only look at your healing and how you're coping up. How is your body coping up with all the changing circumstances, the changing environmental issues, changing situations overall. Aries, you just need to take a break. Go for a holiday this week. The stone that you need to keep with you is a howlite. This is something that is going to help you sleep, because Aries, I've not seen you sleeping in a very long time, and this is something that is going to help you drastically. If you do not have this crystal, please write to us. You can also order these from Ruhani Guidance. We send you energized and charged crystal as per your intentions. So Aries, this was your reading for the 14th to the 21st of January 2021. And I'd like to wish you a very happy kite flying festival for all those who are celebrating it. For everybody else, I hope your new year has been really, really nice. Please write to me in the comment section below. How is the new year treating you? If this resonates with you, please write to me. And I look forward to seeing a lot of your messages. Thank you, Aries, and I will see you next week.